Hello everyone, my name is Neha and I'm a banking aspirant. Welcome to my YouTube channel Labor Omnia Vincit, which means work conquers all. Friends, if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe it and share it and press the bell icon to get new notification. In this video, we are going to learn daily current affair quizzes from 2nd to 4th May 2020. So the first question is Chak How from Manipur has recently received a GI tag. It is a variety of dash which has been used in Manipur over centuries. Options are potato, cotton, fish, rice, tomato. So the right answer is Chak How from Manipur has recently received a GI tag. It is a variety of rice which has been used in Manipur over centuries. About GI tag, a geographical indication. GI is a name or sign used on product which correspond to a specific geographical location or origin. Example, a town, region or country. Other places, other things that that has got a GI tag is Gorakhpur terracotta, and the second one is Kovilpatti Kadalai Mithai from Tamil Nadu. Next question. Anti-apartheid activist Dennis Goldberg, who passed away recently, belongs to which country? Options: Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, England or UK. So the right answer is he belongs to South Africa. About South Africa, capital Cape Town, president Cyril Ramaphosa, currency South African rand. The government of which state has launched an agri-entrepreneur facilitation desks to boost primary sectors of the economy after lifting the nationwide lockdown? Options: Haryana, Assam, Tripura, Manipur, Punjab. The government of Tripura has launched an agri-entrepreneurship facilitation desks to boost primary sectors of the economy after lifting of the nationwide lockdown. About Tripura, capital Agartala, CM Biplab Kumar Dev, and the governor is Ramesh Bais. Next question. The National Board of Wildlife have permitted coal mining in the forest of area of which natural reserve? Options: Panchmarhi MP, Anjanakar, Achanakmar, Amarkantak MP, Great Nicobar, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Seshachamal, Andaman and Nicobar, Dehi Patkai Elephant Reserve, Assam. So the right answer is Dehi Patkai Elephant Reserve, Assam. About Assam, capital Dispur, CM Sarbanandan Sonowal, and governor is Jagdish Mukhi. Next question. CSIR has launched which app to connect farmers to supply chain and freight transportation management system? Options are Kisan Sangathan app, Kisan Sabha app, Kisan Rath app, Krishi Sabha app or Krishi Rath app. The CSIR has launched the app which is Kisan Sabha app. About CSIR, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, established on 26th September 1942. President is PM of India. Headquarter New Delhi, and the Director General is Shekhar C. Mande. The Department of Science and Technology has launched which program to address health risks related to COVID-19? Options: Sehat Roshni, Yash, Savera, Seva. So the right answer is Yash. Next, who among the following has written the book Shivaji in South Block and the Unwritten History of the Proud People? Vikram Seth, Amit Ghosh, Rupi Kaur, Amish Tripathi, Girish Kuber. So the right answer is Girish Kuber has written the book Shivaji in South Block, the Unwritten History of a Proud People. Next, R.V. Smith, who passed away recently, was a famous dash singer, cricketer, director, actor, or author. So the right answer is R.V. Smith was an author. Sorry. Who among the following has been chosen for the Nikkei Asia Prizes 2020 has for clean water technology? Options: Sugata Bose, Nitin Nohria, Thomas Kelton, T. Pradeep, or Avinash Dikshit. So the right answer is T. Pradeep has received the Nikkei Asia Prize 2020 for clean water technology. About Nikkei Asia Prize, first time it was presented in 1976. The Nikkei Asia Prize has entered its 25th edition. This was the 25th edition of Nikkei Asia Prize. Next question: which TV serial has set the world record for becoming the most viewed entertainment program globally? Option: Krishna Ramayana, Malgudi Days, Mahabharat, or Bharat Ek Khoj. So the right answer is Ramayana has become the most viewed entertainment program globally. Next, the government has raised the minimum support price MSP for minor forest produce MFP of 49 items in view of circumstances areas out of COVID-19. The prices of prices are revised every dash years by the pricing cell of Ministry of Tribal Affairs. We have to put the answer which in how many years this pricing been revised. So the options are 2.5, 5, 2 or 3. So the right answer is 3. The price are revised every 3 years by the pricing cell of Ministry of Tribal Affairs. About Ministry of Tribal Affairs, around the name of cabinet minister is Arjun Munda and his constituency is Khunti. Who among the following player has bagged the New Zealand Cricketer of the Year award? Answer: Trent Boult, Ross Taylor, Tim Southee, Kane Williamson, or Martin Guptill. So the right answer is Ross Taylor. About New Zealand, capital Wellington, currency dollar, PM Jacinda Ardern, who has assumed charge as the Secretary of Women and Child Development Ministry. So options are Ramesh Chand, Anand Singh, Rajesh Sharma, Rajiv Kumar, Ajay Tirki. So the right answer is Ajay Tirki has assumed charge as the Secretary of Women and Child Development Ministry. About the Women and Child Development Ministry, Smriti Zubin Irani is the cabinet minister and her constituency is Amethi. Which state has become the first one in the country to provide free and cashless insurance premium to people of the state? Option: Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Maharashtra, Gujarat, or Punjab. So the right answer is Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the state that has provided free and cashless insurance premium to people of the states. Which association has launched a national e-conference marketplace, Bharat Market, to help retail traders provide services to customer? Options: CII, CAIT, ESOCAM, FICCI, or SIAM, SIAM. So the right answer is CAIT has provided the e-commerce marketplace Bharat Market to help retail traders provide service to customer. About the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, headquarters is in New Delhi. Piyush Goyal is the cabinet minister and Hardeep Singh Puri is the minister of state. Which country has taken over from India in the ICC test ranking for first time since October 2016? Options: Bangladesh, South Africa, Australia, England, New Zealand. So the right answer is Australia has taken over from India in the ICC test ranking for first time since October 2016. About ICC, International Cricket Council Chairperson Shashank Manohar, headquarters in Dubai. It's UAI, United Arab Emirates, and CEO is Manu Shavni. How many Indians have been selected for the prestigious membership of the American Academy of Art and Science for 2020? Options: 5, 8, 3, 4, 6. So the right answer is 3 Indians have been selected for the prestigious membership of the American Academy of Art and Science for 2020. Next question: World Tuna Day is observed annually on which date to raise awareness about the importance of tuna? Options: May 5, May 2, May 7, May 8 or May 9. So the right answer is the World Tuna Day is observed annually on May 2nd to raise the awareness about the importance of tuna. Next question: What is the theme of the World Press Freedom Day observed annually on May 3rd? Journalism and election in times of disinformation, election and democracy, media for democracy, supporting peace and reconciliation process, journalism without fear or favor. So the right answer is journalism without fear or favor. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will provide the PDF of the PPTs in the description box. Thank you.